Jamani, na mambo matatu. La kwanza, ninawapongeza watoto wazuri na vijana na wale wa kike ambao wameamua kumpokea rafiki yetu na mpendwa wetu, mchezaji mahiri aliyeweka historia kubwa na kuacha alama ambayo leo inatuinspire watu wengi ambao hatukuweza kujua mpira maana yake mpaka tulivyoanza kuangalia watu kama Kilalio. Nawashukuru sana kwa namna tulivyompokea airport. Mapokezi ya namna hiyo yanaonyesha uhai, upendo, utulivu na thamani ya mpira wa miguu, si tu kwa wachezaji wa kigeni, lakini pia hata kwa watoto wetu watakapotambulika na kujulikana na kuthaminika duniani. Nani ananiahidi atakuwa na swali gumu kabisa itamfanya awe na kigumizi? Just raise your hand. Yani gumu kabisa yani. Hamna na mimi yote atajibu, si ndio? My brother, it's my pleasure to welcome you to the podium.
Thank you. You understand English? Yes. Oh, good. I was scared. First of all, thank you for welcoming me. Paul and your team, I think, have been so far magnificent in welcoming me to your country. Everywhere I've been so far, I've just seen smiley, happy faces, and people welcome me in a way that makes me feel very humble. So thank you very much, guys. Coming here as well makes me feel at home on the football pitch, seeing young kids in football kits, footballs flying around, which is great. You're probably wondering like why I'm here. And one of the reasons, I think there's multiple reasons, but one of them definitely is to be able to give help and some expertise, advice, support. You know, we're the hardest workers. I'm hoping to become part of that team to help you guys. So good luck in what you want to do, and I'll be supporting you. If you have any questions from any of the young players, let me know. You got any questions? Anyone?
My name is Mukbir. I'm from Garden Academy. My question was, how did you be a great footballer in the world?
Oh, thank you. I'll come again. No, again, working hard is important. You do need luck as well. I must say that as well. All of the things I said you need, but you do need to be in the right place sometimes at the right time for the right coach to see you, to help you. But again, I never give up. And one thing you have to understand, and I think is the duty of the federation, of the clubs, of the coaches, you need to prepare the kids for failure. There's one thing guaranteed in football. At some point in your career, you're going to fail. You're going to be told you're not good enough. You're going to be told that you're too small, you're not quick enough, you're not strong enough. You need to prepare the kids for this inevitable moment, because some kids, when they're not prepared, they get this moment, it hits them, and they can't come back because they're not ready. Prepare them for what is to come. It's not all a dream and just a dream about being a player. What can go wrong? Let's prepare them so when they get that, no, you're not good enough, no, you're not going to come in, they're ready and they bounce back. But you've got to work hard. I keep going back to the same thing. To be a top player, you have to work hard.
Baada ya hapo atasaini na mipira, atahamia kwa Sharpes Football Academy. Sasa hivi ni Guardian Angels Academy. Wewe ni mchezaji nguli, captain wa zamani wa timu ya taifa ya Uingereza, Rio Ferdinand. Leo yuko katika viwanja vya Gymkhana nchini Tanzania, na sasa hivi anafanya tukio la kumbukumbu ya kihistoria na kusaini timu ya Guardian Angels Academy ambayo iko jijini Dar es Salaam. Baada ya hapa atahamia kwa Sharpest Football Academy. Hao ni vijana chipukizi tegemeo la Tanzania kwa football ya kesho kwa ajili ya kuleta heshima. Akimaliza hapo atasaini mipira. Baada ya hapo tutapiga picha pamoja ya kumbukumbu. Yes.
Thank you so much. So now is a group photo. Okay? A group photo.
Group photo.
Yes,